Hi, we're here at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 6.4x16 Today we're going to be looking at a 6.5x16 Dovetail utility trailer with 6-foot mesh siding. We have our jack coupler and safety chains, as well as our breakaway box. There is 6-foot mesh siding along the front and sides of the trailer. We have our tie down points at the bottom and top corner. There is a tire mount. This trailer does have diamond plate fenders, as well as two 35K axles on 15-inch wheels and rims. Coming around to our Dovetail, we have a loading ramp, as well as pressure treated wood flooring. This trailer does have LED brake lights, as well as our latches for our gate. Once again, this is a 6.5x16 Dovetail utility with 6-foot mesh siding. If you are interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.